enchiladas. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I took that away. Okay. Turn the TV on. Ow, my hand. Okay. Some YouTube action. What shall we listen to? What shall we listen to? I don't know. Let's some watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Water. Water. Okay. Oh, I'm out of breath. What did I do? I am out of breath. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Tis like strawberries on a summer evening.
Tis like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds like song.
I want strawberries and a summer feeling.
So wonderful warm.
Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I should ever go back. Let's see. Okay. So we're using 2 forks to kind of separate them and shred the chicken so it's small enough to go inside the enchiladas. It's gonna look like, you see, like that. So we have this big piece, and then we have these 2 other big pieces over there. I think half of it's gonna be chicken, and then we're gonna make beef enchiladas. So. Breathe me out. Could ever go without. So when we're shredding it, my mom just tells me to use. I just use 2 forks, and I kind of just hold it and pull, hold and pull, hold and pull, like so. And I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So we're gonna pull, pull, pull. Oh my God, I'm dropping chicken. Oh well, that's gonna go in trash. So the pieces that I'm shredding are like pretty big. They're just like chicken breast, like this. They're already cooked. We have 2 more pieces over here, and we're shredding it. It's gonna end up looking like this, and that's the chicken, the meat that we're gonna put inside of our enchiladas for later. So when I'm shredding it, I kind of like want to make sure, like, I go back and forth between like just shredding pieces of chicken. Hold on, I feel like it's really loud. Okay, so when I'm shredding it, I kind of like go between. When I'm shredding it, I go between shredding the chicken, the big pieces, and like going back to the pieces that are already shredded and making sure that they're small enough, like so. This is like a good example piece of what it needs to look like. So it is just think about like enchiladas. It has to be small to be inside the enchiladas. You don't want it to be like clumpy or find a big piece of chicken randomly in there. So yeah, I have to be really thorough with it. So yeah, these shredding chickens for enchiladas. I really hope nobody I know comes on here. That'd be embarrassing. Have to do my whole count. Paradise. I know I can't sing. Sorry. Can't help it sometimes. if there's like, okay. Walk the fire for you. Like it's the only thing I'll ever do. Okay, let me just clear. I have. Whoa, what was that? Okay. Dang, dumb candle holder in the way. Mom, gotta buy like Alpha. Put up dog on the Alpha. Better watch out, bro. That goes everyone around us. TikTok has ruined my life. Right foot up, left foot slide. Okay. Well, that's the gist of what we're doing, and yeah. So I will vlog. I would do one of these lives later when I'm eating again, because I will eat again. I love eating. It's my favorite thing to do. It might be a snack. It might be a quick one. It might be another taco like I just did. But that's basically how I shred the chicken for my enchiladas. I have a lot of chicken left to do, so I don't want to stay on here the whole time. I don't know what is playing right now. Hold on, let me just change that. I don't know what's going. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know what I just played. I just pushed a button. But basically, sorry. I have a really low attention span. Like I get distracted really easily. But yeah, I will be doing one of these later when I eat again. And tomorrow we will be eating the enchiladas that we just shredded the chicken for. So yeah, and I got 2 whole viewers today, so I'm so excited about that. Yay! I mean, they left like almost immediately when they saw I wasn't really doing anything except for explaining how I shred my chicken. But still yay. Yeah, so happy quarantine, happy coronacation. Hope everybody's doing great at home, and bye. Thank you for watching.